Being deep-rooted and hyper-local allows us to deliver the best service, not only to our owners, but to every single guest that comes through our doors. We want to call you, as one of our owners, our partner. So when you become a partner with Nox, you're benefiting from 20 years of experience, from being pioneers in the local industry and having the founders of the business actively working in the company. We constantly seek out best international practices. We do that through networking with industry associates throughout the US, Europe, and across the globe. We attend a number of conferences, and off the back of that, we brought back 4 or 5 different pieces of critical technology which has completely changed the way that we're able to deliver service both to our guests as well as our partners. Technology which has helped us to deliver 24-hour service to our guests. We're able to respond to a guest within a minute through the use of the best and latest industry technology. What we work on and what we see our partners are able to access through our partner portal, which is an app, and from that you're able to see past revenue, future revenue, what we're up to in your property in terms of maintenance, cleaning tasks, and be able to customize it to create an experience for you as a partner which gives you the comfort and faith that your property is in good hands. We're a well-oiled machine. We've learned the lessons, we've got the experience to be able to give you peace of mind that your investment property is in safe hands.